Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Another unboxing video. Sorry it's been a while since the last one. I do apologize, and these unboxing videos are just me accumulating parts for the stuff. Oh, I should introduce myself. I am Z James. This is the 32 Workshop. This sitting behind me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible, which I am planning on twin turbo swapping next spring, hopefully. At the moment, I'm accumulating parts through the winter here to go do that. And I'm picking up some other stuff that I want to do it while I'm working on it. This new unboxing I'm working on is Z1's subframe. How should I say this? This is actually subframe collar connectors. Collars. Yes, subframe collars. The rear subframes. I have an NA. The convertibles are NA. All of them. Factory cars are NA motors, which means they have the NA rear subframe. If you know anything about 300ZXs, there are two different rear subframes, one for the TT, one for the NA. The TT has a little stouter, beefier stuff to handle extra power, although lots of guys use NA rear ends in the TT cars because of the gearing change, because the R200, I want to say, is a differential. It has a better gearing. It's a 411 or 408. I can't remember right off the top of my head, compared to the TTs, which are 386s or 368s. I'll have to splash that on screen if I remember. If not, you can all just ask me in the comments. But I want to do subframe collar connectors, or subframe collars, because the bushings go bad. And this car has had quite a few miles on it. Hasn't, not saying it doesn't, but the cheap solution for right now to stiffen up the chassis so the rear end gets it more stable is putting subframe collars on. So we're gonna go do that. Right now, here's the box and the part number for it. You guys can see that on screen, hopefully. Let's take a look at it. Let's open the box up here, guys. Put this down here so you guys can fully appreciate and see the wonderful, wonderful stuff. So, yep, I already showed it to you, but it's Z1 CNC subframe collars. I got these in anodized red. Here's a part number for them, CS002-02. And heck, that's the same number right there. If you guys can see that, CS001-02. Should be, if I remember right, well, let's see if I do this right. Ooh, camera wobble. Let's not do that. Sorry, everybody. I do apologize for the moving around. Try and do these in one take for the most part. Here we go. Nice little packaging. Not too bad. Bubble plastic. And looks like they come out individually packaged. These should be the upper collars. You slip on over. There'll be 4 of these. What you need to do is drop the rear subframe just enough to get these in here to stiffen everything up. So there's 4 of these. Let's open one up so you guys look at it. Pretty cold in the garage here, guys. They weigh nothing. They're anodized aluminum. They're pretty sharp. I could have gone for black. I went with red just so I could sort of see them, kind of go with my polyurethane bushings I've been putting into the car. I know it's a looks thing that no one's going to see underneath, but you know what? I thought I'd go a little special with it. Didn't cost me anything extra. Could have chose black, silver, blue. I think they had quite a few options. These are the top ones, and then these are the bottom ones. Let's take a look at these. You get 4 of these as well. These slip in on bottom. You undo the bolts, you drop them down, you put them in. Once again, pretty lightweight. Shouldn't be an issue. Nice material. Not seeing any quality issues on any of these at the moment. So those are the collars, subframe collars. Once again, probably illegal for the class I'm going to be in for SCCA racing, but to be honest with you, I get my butt handed to me every time by the BRZ twins, FT86s. So if I beat anyone on that, it's more of a driver thing than it is the car thing, because they are just better at the moment. For the class I'm in, which is STX. Anyway, so that's it. That's these. Bought these Black Friday sale. They were, I would say inexpensive, but they're cheaper and easier than replacing the bushings themselves. If anyone's actually tried that or knows any of the videos that see them, to replace the bushings and the subframe is a nightmare. You got to remove the whole rear subframe out of the car. So, I mean, and that's actually not too difficult. It's just a big process. But the big problem that takes forever is getting the bushings out of the frame. A lot of guys burn them, have to get saws, cut them out, air chisels. You name it, guys have done it. They do not come out. I don't know if anyone's tried pressing them because I don't think there's a small enough press to try pushing them out because it's just, you got the rubber and then you got a steel sleeve, and that sleeve gets itself seized to the metal of the frame and doesn't want to come out. You need to get rid of it before you put new stuff in. And that's where the problem comes in. But this here should help it. Should make the car feel a little bit better in the corners and the back rear end to stay stable and everything where it's all done up. So once again, another unboxing video. Should be nice, short, and sweet like it is. We're only at 6 minutes at the moment, and I may even edit that down. Once again, my name is Z James. This is the 300 Workshop. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Share any content you guys got. You guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. But I'm going to keep on buying more stuff over the winter here for the twin turbo and just in general stuff for the car. Although I'm getting pretty close to where, I won't say ultimate form, but getting close to where I am going to be done with the suspension. Like, this is getting down in the weeds for everything on it, which is what you need to do to get everything replaced and changing. This is a band-aid, to be honest with you, more so than a fix. The fix would be to actually drop the rear subframe and do it, and I still may do that in a year or two. This is a lot easier to deal with it and see how the car feels afterwards. So everyone take care, and I'll see you in the next video.